All right, what is going on? Quick and easy recipe. I'm gonna be making a cocktail, really well-known aperol spritz. I'm sure everybody knows it, but I'm gonna do a little twist on it. It's quick and easy, but it does not use seltzer or club soda. I'm just gonna do some good quality grapefruit juice, prosecco. You can use any type, aperol, and orange. So get a nice clean glass, tall glass, perfect for the summer. Good amount of ice, aperol, maybe a quarter cup. Good. You don't want it too sweet, but the grapefruit juice will balance out the sweetness. And then, so maybe like half a cup. And then to top it off, some prosecco. Let's give it a nice refreshing taste. Looks good. Once the bubbles go down, you can add a little bit more. So for garnish, get a nice orange. This one's kind of already lived its life. So anyway, no one has to see that. Boom. You can do half. Cut that a little bit. Top this off, a drop more. Put that in there. Nice little cocktail straw, a little stir. Looks good. Amazing for summer. Really refreshing. Give it a go. You won't regret it. Until next time.